Today, we're going to explore our favorite spots in Tokyo and wrap up with our equipment hero of the trip. Hello and welcome back. My name is Amy Moncure. If you're looking for concise videos with practical information and useful tips, subscribe and click on that notification bell. Let's get started. First Tokyo stop, Tokyo City View. Each city we travel, we like to see the city from above. As one of the largest cities in the world, the aerial view of Tokyo is spectacular. Tokyo City View in Roppongi Hills provides an amazing view of the Tokyo Tower. I recommend going on one of the first clear days of your trip to experience the best views. Also, included in your Tokyo City View ticket is entrance to the Mori Art Museum. Next, the Meiji Shrine is definitely high on our list. The Meiji Shrine is a Shinto shrine dedicated to Emperor Meiji and his wife, Empress Shokin. Emperor Meiji is really a big deal because he reclaimed the power of the emperor from the shogunate, was responsible for ending the age of the samurai, and led Japan into the modern-day world power that we know of today. The shrine is located in a 170-acre forest in the heart of Tokyo. There you will see the Otori, or the Grand Shrine Gate, the biggest wooden torii of the Myojin style in Japan. Hopefully you will even see a Shinto wedding. The inner gardens are included in the shrine grounds and contain Tokyo's #1 power spot, the Kiyomasa Well. If you are there in June, enjoy the beautiful iris gardens as well. With the gravel paths, I highly recommend closed-toed shoes for this visit. Only one metro stop away from Meiji Shrine is Shibuya Crossing, one of the world's busiest pedestrian crossings in the world. Shibuya Crossing is busy during the day, but even busier at night and on holidays. Walk through the scramble and then enjoy the view from above inside Shibuya Station. While you're at Shibuya Crossing, stop by the statue of Hachiko, the most loyal dog in the world. Hachiko waited at the station every day for 10 years after his master passed away, hoping to see his master again. This dedication is why Hachiko is so loved by the Japanese people. Before leaving Shibuya Station, check out the Tokyo 2020 Olympic pop-up store and be one of the first to get your 2020 Olympic souvenirs. After visiting Shibuya, head over to Shinjuku to go to the Samurai Museum and the Robot Restaurant, only 400 meters apart from each other. The Robot Restaurant is a wonderfully bizarre show with anime characters and robots. Tickets can sell out, so order them online or early in the afternoon before the show. Also, I highly recommend you eat before you go. While waiting for the show, take the guided tour at the Samurai Museum, complete with sword battle performance and the opportunity to wear a samurai helmet. Guided tours are available every 10 to 20 minutes. However, the sword performance is only at 2, 3, 4, and 5 p.m. At the Senkaku Chi Temple, pay your respect to the 47 Ronin who spent over a year plotting to avenge their master Asano. After successfully killing Lord Kira, they committed the ritual suicide seppuku and are buried together with their master. While you're there, look for the well where Lord Kira's head was washed before laying it to rest on Asano's grave. I also recommend visiting the 2 small museums within the temple grounds to learn more about the 47 Ronin. Finally, experience the brilliance of Tokyo in Ginza, Tokyo's luxury shopping district. My favorite time to go is late afternoon as the sun is setting to experience both day and night views. As we wrap up each series, we want to share the travel equipment hero of the trip. For Tokyo, our hero was our packing cubes. We stayed at a compact business hotel within walking distance to Roppongi. While we enjoyed our stay there, the room was tight, so organization was a must. Links to our cubes and other discounts are in the description below. Please leave us a comment with your favorite spot in Tokyo And if you want more concise travel videos full of practical and useful information, click that red subscribe button. Next stop, we will take the Shinkansen bullet train to Kyoto to begin our Travel Kyoto series. Until next time, cheers!